Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new, fresh window cleaning layout pack we think you'll enjoy. This window cleaning layout pack is a gleaming design asset for any site in the cleaning service niche. The layouts are intentionally clean and colorful, with powerful images, perfect for marketing all your window cleaning services, and the dedicated pages included for showcasing those services will be helpful for getting your window cleaning site up and running in no time. So go ahead and check it out. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new window cleaning layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts to your website from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. After that, you should have access to all of those pre-made layouts, including the window cleaning layout pack, without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To get started, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. In the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the Window Cleaning Layout Pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a list of all of the different layouts included in the pack. Go ahead and click on the one that you want, and on the left you can preview it, and when you're ready, click Use This Layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, feel free to make any design adjustments, add your own content if you want. Don't forget to save the draft or publish it when you're done. And you'll want to continue the same process to create all of your pages, and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Once you're done with that, you're ready to create a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance, Menus. There, give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize the menu items however you like. And then don't forget to select the display location as primary menu, and then click Save Menu. Once that's done, you're ready to add a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings and then Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, select the home page with the corresponding pre-made homepage layout, and then click Save Changes. And now your new website is up and running with the new window cleaning layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And don't forget to click to get those notifications so that we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.